Welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to be looking at Flask. Flask is a really cool Python library which is going to allow us to create web services. Now, a REST API is a type of web service. It's a web service that matches a specific structure. Flask does not enforce REST structure, but it is going to allow us to create REST APIs, which we're going to look at in the next section. For this section, we're going to get familiar with Flask and all things web, and we are going to create a REST API, but it's not going to follow exactly all of the REST principles. Over time, in the next couple of sections, we're going to make this API more and more advanced. For this section, make sure to understand what Flask is about and how the web works, and then in the next few sections, we'll look at REST APIs in detail and dissect them better. That's it for this video, so I'm excited to join you in this section, and I'll see you in the next video.